In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to shop on Wayfair. We'll walk through the entire process from signing in to placing your order so you can shop with confidence and avoid common mistakes. Start by signing in or creating an account. On the home page, click the Sign In button. If you already have an account, enter your credentials and continue. If you're new, choose to create an account. Having an account makes it easier to track orders and speeds up future checkouts, which is especially helpful during sales. Open your browser and head to wayfair.com. Once you're on the site, you can search or browse. If you know what you want, use the search bar to type in items like sofa or table. If you're still exploring, click through categories or shop by room to get ideas and see curated collections. Filters can narrow results by price, color, size, materials, and delivery time. When you spot something you like, open the product page. Take a moment to review the price and any notes about sales or limited time deals. Check the size and dimensions carefully and compare them to your space. Measuring ahead of time helps avoid returns. Look at the delivery estimate to see when it could arrive at your location. Then read through the reviews, paying attention to photos from other shoppers and comments about comfort, color accuracy, assembly, and durability. If it's the right fit, select the options you prefer, like color or finish, and choose the quantity. Options can affect price and availability, so confirm what's in stock. Click Add to Cart. Next, go to your cart using the icon at the top right. Review each item for the correct color, size, and quantity. Double-check delivery estimates and any notes about assembly. If something looks off, you can edit or remove it here before moving forward. When everything looks good, proceed to checkout. Enter your shipping details, including your full name, address, and a reliable contact number. Make sure apartment or suite information is complete so the carrier can deliver without delays. Choose your payment method. You can typically pay with a card or use PayPal when available. Ensure your billing information is accurate and matches your payment method to prevent processing issues. Before you place the order, review all details one last time. Item, options, quantity, shipping address, delivery estimate, and payment method. When you're satisfied, click Place Order. You'll see a confirmation on screen and receive an email. From your account, you can view orders, check delivery updates, and, if needed, manage returns according to the product's policy. Happy shopping!